Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Goomi from Minions and Monsters. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a large curve across. And then from each end, let's bring it down and curve it in. And then close off the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start in the center and let's draw a long curve down and back up. And then let's hop out and let's draw another curve down and in on each side. Now for the mouth, let's draw a curve out and back in on each side. Now let's hop in and let's add the teeth. Let's start from the top and let's draw a line down and out, and the same going the other way. And the same thing on the right side. And now let's do the same going up from the bottom. And then in the center, let's color it in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then let's add a curve at the top. And then inside, let's add a small circle on the bottom left. And then color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and add the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a curve out and bring it back in. And then let's curve it back up at the bottom. Now at the top, let's curve it back over and another smaller curve on top. Now let's add the hand by drawing 3 bumps down underneath like this. And then on the right side, a smaller bump for the thumb. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw the other arm. For this one, let's bring it out and another curve underneath. And then close off the end of the sleeve. Now inside from the top corner, let's add 2 small curves. Now let's add the hand holding the torch. At the top of the sleeve, let's draw a curve out and back in for the thumb. And then let's add a curve next to it. And a larger curve underneath. And then one more finger in the same way. Now let's add the torch underneath, starting with 2 lines down. And then close it off at the bottom. Now next to the torch, let's draw a curve across to close off the hand. And then a curve down underneath for the bottom of the sleeve. Now let's continue the torch by bringing each line up and angling it slightly out at the top. and then close off the top with a curve. Now to add the flame, let's draw a wavy line up and back down on the left side. Another larger one up. Bring it up. And a wavy line all the way back down. And let's add a few more smaller flames on the outside. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop back in and finish off the body. Let's start underneath the left hand and let's bring it down and curve it out. And the same thing on the right side. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Lastly, let's hop in and we're going to draw another curve along the bottom here. And that's it for Goomi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!